Jai Hind. I, Renu Prabhakar, welcome you all to the weekly English news bulletin of Vidya Bharati Punjab. Let's have a look at the news headlines of the last week.
Tribute paid to Shri Ram Bhakt late Nand Kishore Koda ji. Society-based Sanskar Kendra started in Jagrao. Evaluation report given to Bhiki Vidya Mandir. Birthdays and wedding anniversaries of employees were celebrated at Barnala Vidya Mandir. Ganga Jali distributed to the students in Abohar. September exam results declared in Rampura Phul Shishu Vatika and More Mandi. Pre-preparation for Sabdeshi Saptah done in Hajipur Shishu Vatika.
Now news in detail.
On 18th September, tribute was paid to Shri Ram Bhakt late Nandkishore Koda ji by observing 2 minutes of silence at Vidya Dham. Vidya Bharati Punjab prays to God to give a place to this great soul in his lotus feet. Nandkishore Koda ji of Banga died in America at the age of 91 on 7th August 2024. While paying tribute to him, our Mahamantri Dr. Navdeep Shekhar said that he donated rupees 1 crore 11 lakh 11,111 and for Shri Ram Mandir. He also donated 3 acres of land to build a Vidya Mandir in Banga. While paying tribute, his son-in-law Shri Tajinder ji said that the work of Vidya Mandir will be started soon. The money will be arranged by the family members. The student who comes first in the 10th class of Nawashahar district will be given a prize of 1 lakh rupees every year. In this program, his wife Chand Rani Koda ji along with his son-in-law, son, daughter, Shri Rajendra Kumar ji, Shri Harsh Kumar ji, Rekha Bhardwaj ji, Munish Sharma ji, Mandeep Tiwari ji and the DDs and students of Sarvitkari Keshav Vidya Niketan were also present. Shrimati Satish Gupta started a society-based Sanskar Kendra in Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Jagrao. This Sanskar Kendra has been started with the cooperation of all the members of Shri Ram Mandir located in Pratap Nagar Mohalla of Jagrao. This Sanskar Kendra is named Shri Raghu Nandan Bal Sanskar Kendra. On this occasion, a program was organized in which the members of Vidya Mandir Prabandhan Samiti along with the Vibhag Sanskar Kendra Pramukh Shri Suhadev ji were also present. Shri Tara Chand Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Bhiki was evaluated by Shanti Lal Mutha Foundation on 18th and 19th January 2023. This evaluation report was given to the principal of Vidya Mandir, Shri Sanjeev Kumar ji on 18th September 2024. Certified evaluators Shri Narendra Sharma ji and Shri Vikram Samyal ji of Shanti Lal Mutha Foundation were also present on this occasion. On 19th September, setting an example of Parivarik Bhavana, birthdays and wedding anniversaries of employees were celebrated collectively in Vandana Sabha at Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Barnala. The Sevadar, Gurpreet Kaur, Manju and Jaspreet Kaur, drivers Darshan Das, Seva Singh, Karamjeet Singh, Gardner, Phool Chand were given best wishes by applying tilak as a blessing of goddess Saraswati. They were facilitated by giving them birthday and wedding anniversary greeting cards. Ganga Jali was distributed to the students in Bhoj Raj Pyari Devi Phool Chand Saraswati Vidya Mandir Abohar. Principal Jyoti Batra said that Ganga Jali is a golak in which students collect money according to their capacity and faith throughout the year and dedicate it to Ma Saraswati on Basant Panchami. This is called Samarpan Rashi. This work is done to awaken social sensitivity among the students. The money collected is sent for the education of the helpless and the people living in slum. Last week, the September exam results were declared at Rampura Fools Shishu Vatika and Mod Mandi. On this occasion, parents of the students were also invited. After giving the report card, the problem faced in studies and their solutions were discussed with the parents. On 21st September, preparation for Savdeshi Saptah was done by making slogans and charts in Shishu Vatika, Hajipur. The whole staff and Matri Shakti participated under the guidance of Principal Neelam Kaul. On this occasion, Matri Shakti showed their talent and made charts and slogans. The objective of this workshop is to inspire the society to use Savdeshi product and connect Matri Shakti with Vidya Mandir. One photo, one news. Acharya and Prabandhan Samiti meeting concluded at Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Fatehgarh Chudiya. Teacher Harvinder Kaur was given farewell on retirement at Jagrao Vidya Mandir. Principal's monthly meeting of Patiala Vibhag concluded at Dayanand Public School, Pandusar, Nabha. Pravas of Shri Shivam Gupta Ji, Siksha Dham, Prakalp Pramukh was held at Shrimati Dakho Devi Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Bani, Lodhi. Amount donated by Samaj Sevi worker Hemraj to Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Varnala. Havan was performed on Sankranti at Lala Om Prakash Verma Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Sujanpur.
That's all for this week. See you next week with new headlines.